These two little fans are both awesome. I've had both of them for right about a year. I got them last spring. The black one is a Dr. Prepper tower oscillating fan. It oscillates 110 degrees. And the white one is a Runze desk table fan with a USB. Both of these are really compact and they could be put on a desk. They could be put on the floor. They could be put in a garage. They're kind of versatile like that. The tower fan is a 3-speed with 2 different separate fans. And it also has 3 timers. You can time it for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours to automatically shut off. It has a nice little rounded back, so if you want to put it in a corner, it doesn't take up much room at all. The white fan, like I said, has a USB, and you can charge it, and then you can pull it off the cord and move it around wherever you want. It's a 4-speed, and it tilts 180 degrees, and it also raises up to about almost 38 inches. It's a really cool fan, and it's pretty versatile. It's light and compact. You can pull that front off and you can clean it really easily. And it's stable too. The base is very stable when you stand it up all the way to its top height. They're nice little fans to keep on a desk, bedroom, garage. I like them both. They both have their unique features to them. Have yourself a great day.